Hey everybody, this is Larry from cutlearning.com. I am here with my virtual background. Hope you like it. Because I'm working from home, just like most of you probably are right now as well. I know that a lot of you are currently out of business until this crisis is over, as are we. So we're going to go ahead and offer a discount on banners at our normal rate. They're $4 a square foot plus shipping. Our current rate that we're going to offer for this sale is going to be $2 a square foot, which is half price plus shipping, so that we can get a banner custom made for your business and mailed out to you or your business wherever you happen to be working from until this is over, so that as soon as the crisis is over and you're ready to put that banner up and let people know you're back in business, you'll have that banner so that people can see it right away and start visiting your business once again. So if you're interested in getting a banner at half price, that's $2 a square foot. An example of that would be a 2x8 standard banner. Is 16 square feet. 16 square feet times 2 is $32 plus a $10 shipping charge is $42. Normal rate on that would be double that, except for the $10 charge. So you're not going to really beat that price out there. So let's get our banners ordered. Give me something to do while I'm sitting around the house, and give you something to do so that you can get a banner to your home or your business, so that as soon as you're ready to open the doors, you can let people know that you're back in business. So give us a call, 813-363-3994. That's 813-363-3994. Have a blessed day and be safe.